Rice powder gives gentle exfoliation by removing dead skin cells, especially effective for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Its oil absorption helps in balancing excess sebum of the skin. It gives skin brightening, whitening, and a magical glow. Also great for uneven tone, dullness, and reduces dark spots. It gives cooling and soothing properties for irritated skin, and great for acne treatment due to its antimicrobial properties that help combat acne-causing bacteria, while its oil-absorbing nature keeps pores clear. Lemon juice has vitamin C that is great to boost collagen production, while citric acid acts as a natural exfoliant to brighten the complexion and fade dark spots. Lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so it is important to use it at night. Powdered alum acts as a natural astringent, meaning it can tighten the skin and reduce the size of pores. Its antibacterial properties help kill acne-causing bacteria and can help even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Vitamin E face capsule gives moisturizing effect, reduces dryness, provide antioxidant protection against UV damage, and reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots by boosting collagen production. Yogurt gives brightening effect, deeply moisturizes the skin. It can also soothe sunburns, fight acne and signs of aging by reducing inflammation and improving elasticity. It also helps protect against UV rays. This mask works like magic, as it is all-in-one solution for all your skin problems. You can apply it as multi-purpose mask, as it helps in treating face elasticity, acne, uneven skin tone, wrinkles, fine lines, helps minimize pores, and it also helps in reducing pigmentation. It gave me amazing results for my face. Literally, all my acne disappeared in one apply like it was never there. If you are looking for a quick glow-up, for an event, or any special occasion, it works like magic. This is the one and only natural remedy that you must try. Keep the ingredients to be mixed well for some time. This is my hand before applying the mask. I wanted to show you guys from different angles because my camera doesn't work well at night. This is the proper consistency. Now here's the result after applying the mask. Trust me, do try it once, and you will thank me without any doubt. Do like my video and share with your friends. I'll see you guys in my next video with another holistic living practices. Stay blessed, stay healthy, bow ye.